Alright guys, so I don't know how many of you have seen this before, but this is the light that's under your car door, right? And so it illuminates the path where you're walking when you open the door at night. And this one just happens to have a projector on it that can show the logo and the name of my car, right? So this is not the original one that came with the car. This is one I bought on was it Amazon, and it came from China, and that's why I'm making the video, because so I put it in the car. You know, these little hooks here would keep it into the car, up in the door, but I had to take it out because I think I put one in the wrong place or something like that. So I took it out, but while trying to take it out, let me show you this one. Since it's made in China and it's really cheap, this part started to come loose. I'm trying to pry it open the way you're supposed to, and this part came loose, and eventually the whole piece came out like this. This fell apart, this part fell out, this part fell out, and just left with the LED and the electronics around it. So now you know what it looks like inside. Hey, that's a whole other video by itself. So this is the projector, and the logo's in there as well, and that's the LED. And it's so cheaply made, that even this part is all loose, and it's just really unacceptable. So I'm gonna fix it, but I'm showing you how I'm gonna fix it. So what I did, I fixed the other two that came out, and I took these two out of the car to fix it now, because I know it's made by the same people and it's gonna do the same thing should I need to get back in there, or should they die and I need to buy a new one. So I'm gonna use my favorite glue. I just got this, and I just made a video on this of how to keep hair clean, but since we're on it, use it for the first time. So this is my old glue, and this is what happened to it. And it got hard and everything. I could no longer screw it on, so I made a video on how to solve that problem. So I'm going to do the same thing that I said in the video here. So first I'm going to open it. Alright, now I just open it a little bit because I don't want to put too much. Now what I did was I bought a thread seal. It says thread seal right there, from Home Depot. This was like 97 cents, and I'm gonna put this over here, I'll even put it a little lower down. Okay, you don't have to put, I'm putting too much right now. And you pull it, and that's it. Now it's not sticky, it's not going to stick. It's not going to stick, so don't worry about it. The idea is that when I'm done using the glue, I can just peel off all the excess glue that got stuck on this, so I can put the cap back on. Alright, so I have the glue, and I'm going to just take a little bit from my screwdriver and put it on here. You don't want to put too much, else the glue will leak all over the place. while I'm doing this, I'm going to cover it because I don't want to get hard at all. So I'm not doing too good a job with this part, but this part is not bad yet. But I should probably pop it open and put glue on there, but I'm not going to, because I don't want to break it. Let me see. It's kind of, it's coming off a little bit. Alright, so it's coming off. Put some more glue. Okay, not a really good job, but okay. Now, this part is important. So, this part goes into that part there, but it's just sits there. And if you put this the wrong way, it's not gonna project the words the right way. So this little handle or lip goes on top, right in line with this notch. Doesn't go in, but it goes in line with it. Okay, it doesn't go in, just goes on top. So I'm gonna put some glue around this. Just a shame that you gotta do this. You should just make stuff the right way from the beginning. But that's not gonna happen. Don't get any on the lens. It's not a problem. And I'm going to put this now on here and align it with the notch, so the words will not be upside down and all that. Okay. Now I'm not going to glue this to the bottom, and I'll show you why in a second. So I see holes here for screws and like a notch, but they never went ahead with that, so they just left it hanging like that. And when I'm done, you'll probably see why. Okay, so this notch is going to go here in these holes. Put some more glue. Okay. Alright, so now I know some of you will be saying, well, why are you putting glue over the notch? That's so that you can take it out when you need to fix anything in there. Well, there isn't anything there to fix except if a wire got loose. But why would it get loose if you're just opening and closing the door the right way? I'll just prefer to just buy a new one. So now that the glue is in there, this goes, oops, let me check the unopened one, make sure I have it right. This goes like this. Now, the reason why I'm not going to put glue at the bottom there is that it needs to move a little bit to get in line with this. I gotta hurry before the glue dries. it. Get it in there. Okay, for some reason. Okay, so that's in. And this one's gonna go in. And I'll probably put some more glue. See all the glue's going on the sides already? That's what it does. Kind of hard to avoid it. I just saw another major flaw in my idea. I just saw it. I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, I just want the glue on there. You're not gonna see, when this is in the car, you're not gonna see it. And then you snap it down. Make sure it's nice and tight. I don't want to be opening this ever again. So take off any excess stuff. Alright, I'll just set that down to dry and put it in the car later tonight. I'm going to do it in the night because then I can see if it's on and it's in the right way. Right now you're not going to see anything. This one, I could just stop the video right here, but oh well. I do like watching these boring videos anyway, so. If they made this the right way, I would not have to do the glue and I could leave the little notch. Apparently this one is working the way it should. Is that possible? That they made something right? Ah. Okay, this one was harder to get off, which is good. But you never know. Oh, yeah, I still gotta open it because this part is, I'm sure that's loose. Alright, so taking this up. This one is tight. They actually made this one right. Ah. Alright, it's tight. I'm not going to mess with it. Yeah, this one is actually tight. I'm surprised. Okay, and that's it. Now, oh wow, see, sloppy work. So I'm going to take this off. So now I can just peel this off. Now, the flaw is the cap has glue in it now. So I'm going to try to figure out how to take off as much as I can so the cap won't stick maybe what I can do, oh, you know what, I know what I'll do. So I take off this one, that's the first. Oops, there's more excess glue coming out. And so I take this off, it's clean again. Okay, then I'm going to put some more. Again, this is only 90 something cents, 97 cents. So it's not going to break the bank. I'm going to put some more on there. And then put the cap on so that even if the cap were to stick on the thread seal, it's not going to stick on the metal part and should be fine. So no more air, make sure it's nice and tight, and I'm guessing I'm good to go. Alright, so we got these done. I'll show you how to put it back in the car in another video. It's really not hard. Alright, thanks for watching.